How can we create a new account without adding our phone number to Facebook? To do this, first we need to go to the official website, facebook.com. Then you click on the Create New Account option. Once you clicked, wait for it to redirect you to the next page. In this section, you enter your information, but the part you need to pay attention to is that instead of a phone number, you should enter your email. Well, after that, you enter your password and hit sign up, and in this part, a code will be sent to your email. Okay, in this section, we provide the code and confirm it. Alright, I'll confirm it again. Now, you enter this stage and confirm that you're human. Just complete the CAPTCHA. Well, after that, your account is successfully created, and it might ask for a username and some other info. Just register that info, and you'll enter this section without having added your mobile number. You can sign up using this method just by using your email.